Arduino products across the board are very well equipped to be deployed into the Victorian curriculum. In this video, I'm going to share with you some places where you can connect Victorian curriculum with the Arduino Plug and Make kit. The Arduino Cloud and the IoT capability of the Plug and Make kit from Arduino is a very obvious solution for digital technologies, and a quick look at the Year 10 levels for creating digital solutions and handling data and information quickly provides opportunities for the Plug and Make kit to be useful in the classroom. I'd like to talk about some other areas though. Specifically, the sciences and mathematics is the ideal tool for science inquiry. Students are collecting and analysing data along with modelling, evaluating that data, and they're communicating that data. The Arduino Plug and Make kit provides plenty of opportunity for students to collect and analyse data. For instance, students could collect data from a light level sensor and a temperature sensor, measure that over time, create a scatter graph, and create a dashboard which presents their data and their findings to an audience. In the mathematics curriculum, at around the Year 10 level, there are opportunities for the Arduino Plug and Make kit to be useful for statistics. They can be used to collect information and data. It can be plotted on a graph. It can be analysed. You can make inferences and come to conclusions based on the collected data. By using the Arduino Plug and Make kit in the classroom, teachers are providing students with the opportunity to design and conduct authentic experiments, collect and handle relevant data which the students have collected themselves, and this interdisciplinary approach can really help to consolidate the learning of students in those areas. The Arduino Plug and Make kit is a valuable tool in the hands of any good maths, science, or digital technologies teacher.